In this video, we will show you how to install a sword cassette onto a Hyperglide freehub body. For installation, you will need a cassette lock ring tool, an adjustable wrench, and a chain whip for cassette removal. Hyperglide or HG freehub bodies have 8 wider splines and 1 smaller spline that the cassette slides onto. There are 2 main sizes of HG freehubs. Standard 8, 9, 10-speed freehubs are 34.9 mm wide. Newer Road 11-speed freehubs are 36.75 mm wide. The sword cassette works with both standards. There are 2 types of sword cassettes. The G-Series cassette has an aluminum spider that combines the 2 largest cogs and 3 middle cogs into one unit. The H-Series cassette uses 2 pins to connect the largest 8 cogs together with spacers. For installation, make sure that the small spline on the freehub lines up with the small groove on the cassette cogs. To install the G-Series cassette on an 8, 9, 10-speed HG freehub, install the component parts as shown from left to right. First the 2 largest cogs, then the middle 3 cogs, followed by the 19-tooth cog, a spacer, the 17-tooth cog, another spacer, the 15-tooth cog, and then the 13 and 11-tooth cogs. Thread the cassette lock ring onto the freehub and tighten to 40 Newton meters. To install the H-Series cassette, the process is very similar. Slide the largest 8 pinned cogs onto the freehub, then the 13 and 11-tooth cogs. Thread your lock ring onto the freehub and torque to 40 Newton meters. When installing the sword cassette onto the wider 11-speed Road HG freehub body, first install a 1.85 mm spacer onto the freehub before you install the cassette. Then proceed with the cassette installation. 1.85 mm spacers can be purchased online or through your local bike shop. To remove the cassette, use a chain whip to hold the cassette in place. Wrap the chain whip around a middle cassette cog and turn the lock ring counterclockwise until it disengages. Then, slide the cogs off the freehub body. And that is how you install and remove a sword cassette. For any questions, please email us at service@microshift.com.